Hey, this is Nikki, and standing beside me is the amazing Lulu Keating. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Thank you, Nikki. It's nice to be here. It's exciting.
It is very exciting, and I have to congratulate you on Lulu's Ball.
Lucille's Ball?
Lucille's Ball. Sorry, that's your name, Lulu.
Yeah.
Lucille's Ball was, like I find to be a really innovative way of storytelling. Why did you decide to put animation and all the other elements together in this?
Well, basically, I knew I would be working with a small budget.
Okay.
I had already done one feature, but even, it was 20 years before this one. So it took, so I knew that I'd be entering the field again. I wouldn't be able to attract a lot of money. So what I did was, I heard about this Women in the Director's Chair Feature Film Award,
right,
which means that you get a studio and you get equipment and post-production services. So I applied for it and got the grant, having written a script where we would shoot the whole thing in the studio and have animation as well, a stylized kind of film, and we used rear screen projection. So basically the character could go everywhere in the world, because for $4 I could buy a still image and project it that was whatever background I wanted. And the motion picture, for them driving through the Congolese jungle, the African jungle, that was, cost a bit more, $70 to get that shot. So
$4 to $70.
Yeah, exactly. So it was a really exciting way to work, and I hope other people will work that way too. It's a solution for low budget to be able to just play with the medium of film some more.
And the actors were brilliant.
Weren't they?
The casting was very well done.
Yeah.
I'm a visual learner, so there's a lot of color, there's a lot of variety, and the set design was really, really good.
Yeah, we were really lucky because, first of all, Vancouver's acting community, they have been, so busy over the years that they've had a chance to have a lot of experience. And then for the crew, we just really lucked out with getting art director and costumer. It was their first feature, and they gave it their all.
I could see
and
that.
And they just really worked day and night to be able to do as well as they could. It was lucky.